Good morning, dear kids. Let us start the exercise. See the question answer. Question B. Read these sentences and answer the questions that follow. First, I don't think I need you to help me after all. I don't think I need you to help me after all. This is the sentence taken from the passage, taken from the lessons. With the help of this sentence, we have to find the answer of this question. We have to write the answer of this question. So let us see first question. Who said, who said these words and to whom? Means this sentence, who said to whom? See, who said these words and to whom? Answer. Jack said these words to Nico. Who said these words? Jack said this sentence. I don't think, means I don't need your help, said Jack these words to Nico. B question. Why did he say these words? Answer. Jack tried to annoy Nico. Means he is trying to avoid the Nico. He is not need to help. He is getting angry. So he tried to annoy Nico. C. What does this behavior tells us about the speaker? What does this behavior tells us about the speaker? How is the behavior of the speaker? Who is the speaker here? Jack. See answer. Jack thought Nico doesn't know how to make snowman. Jack was thought she don't know how to make a snowman. Jack proves he knows how many snowballs need to make a snowman. It means the speaker's behavior is short-tempered. Jack is short-tempered. He is not listening to Nico. So he is telling, I am correct. I am perfect. Next. See the next question. Suddenly, a terrible thing happened. This is a sentence taken from the passage or lesson. With the help of this sentence, we have to write the answer of these questions. A question. What was the terrible thing that happened? Answer. What was the terrible thing happened? When the Jack made a snowman, after some time the head fell off Jack's snowman and crashed to the ground. Jack's snowman head fell down and crash. Crash means it's broken to the ground. Next question we will see. Question B. How was the situation saved? Means which situation was saved? Jack has to make a snowman till up to when his father will return. How he was saved the situation? Let us see the answer. When Jack's snowman crashed, after that Nico helped to Jack and decorated it with the carrot, bucket and buttons. Nico was helped to make a snowman. Both are making together a snowman. After completing a snowman, they decorated the snowman. It means here the snowman with using carrot, bucket and buttons. Third, if we do it together, we can finish it before your father gets home. Answer. Who said these words and to whom? Who said these words? This is the sentence taken from the lesson. Who said these words to and said to whom? Nico said these words to Jack. Nico said these words to Jack. Next, big question. What did the speaker want to do together? Who is the speaker here? Nico. What she want to do together? The speaker, his here Nico, wanted to make a snowman together. Together means here with Jack. Nico wanted to make a snowman with Jack. Last question. C. Did the person spoken to listen to the speaker? Did the person here, the person who is spoken to and who is listening, are they listen to each other? Yes, the person spoken to and listen to the speaker. Now we have finished this question answer. All of you write this question in a notebook and learn. Okay, dear kids.